Wherever I want that arch to be, this is where I'm going to start to curve. My name is Kristen Chanel, and I am the founder of the viral Raw Essence Brow Lamination Gel. And today I'm going to give you an in-depth tutorial on how to use my brow gel properly. So first things first, my brow gel does come with a hole in the center of it. Every single brow gel does come with a free brow brush. So you're just gonna go ahead and stick the brow brush directly in the hole, just like that. And then you're going to swirl your brow brush around. Another thing to note, my brow gel is thick and it's stiff as fuck. This is a dry brow gel. Now, I would say the majority of the brow gels that you guys have probably tried on the market, they are a wet brow gel, meaning that your brow hairs will probably curl back up. Now, because my brow gel is dry and it is stiff, some people may think, oh my God, my brow gel is dried out. No, no, no. Like, this brow gel is intentionally dry so that as soon as you put it on, it gives you that laminated sort of effect, and it literally holds your brow hairs down without them reverting and curling back up, or, you know, just being unruly and whatnot. You guys can see how immediately my brow hairs are laying down. They're not curling back up. They're not reverting. The tops of my brow hairs are not doing anything weird, and that's what you want. You also want to apply a good amount of product onto that brow brush. You know, you just don't want to skimp out on this. My brow gel does not turn white. It does not flake. It is not greasy or anything like that either. As long as you apply it properly and you apply it without putting any sort of like skincare or makeup or anything like that from here on up as you're applying that brow gel. Because if not, like, if you guys can kind of see, as I am applying the brow gel, what's happening is I am kind of like touching my skin here and here. So if I were to have any sort of product on my skin here or here, it's obviously going to get into the brow gel and my brow brush. And then I will be brushing all of that product, all of, you know, that makeup right back into my brow, which would just be a recipe for disaster. And we just do not want that. Another thing is that you want to make sure that you're brushing your brow hair straight up, not to the side, not back and forth, because my brow gel is good. You ain't gotta do all that shit. You just want to go ahead and make sure that you're brushing your brow hairs directly up. And this also gives you somewhat of like what I like to call a brow BBL, especially if you have more so like thin brows. This is going to be amazing for you because it creates the illusion of thicker brows, specifically if you do this technique that I'm showing you. And don't worry, this is not the end result, y'all. People are like, oh my God, like your brows look crazy. No, no, no. We're not done yet. We're not done. And if you guys mess up, or if you feel like, okay, I just want to brush it back up some more, just don't worry, re-brush it. So if you mess up, brush up. After you brush your brow hairs up just like that, you're going to want to wipe off the excess brow gel. Just put it back in your pot. You know what I mean? Like, let's save the animals, save the plants, save the trees, all the things, and just, we're going to reuse the brow gel when the time comes. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take this brow brush and you're just going to flatten the bristles just like that. So it kind of becomes like a pancake sort of situation. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the flat side of the pancake that we just created, and we are going to start to basically shape our brows by brushing over. I like to start from the front of my brow just so I can get an idea of, you know what I mean? Like what's going on, what kind of shape I want. You can make your brows as thin or as thick as you want them to be. And this typically takes the longest in my makeup routine. You guys will obviously see as I'm doing my makeup today, but this is what typically takes the longest, is this part right here, because I'm always like brushing up, brushing over, just trying to kind of figure out what the shape is for today. And you also want to ideally follow the natural arch of your brow. So like my brow kind of arches about right here. So from here to here, I'm just gonna brush over and find whatever side of the spoolie works for you, okay? Like, you know, do you? Okay, I kind of sort of like this. I'm just gonna brush this part up a little bit more. And then wherever I want that arch to be, this is where I'm going to start to curve, all right? So now we're starting to just go ahead and curve Miss Mama's just like that. I feel like she looks cute, but obviously we have something going on right here. Now I can obviously fill in that section when I get to actually drawing my brows on and filling it in. But if you're like, no, I kind of just want to do it perfectly, what we would do is we would brush up where that section is and then just continue to brush over. But I'm probably, oh, okay, cool, I kind of like worked. I'm probably going to definitely have to like fill it in a bit though, but Bada boom, bada bang. We have one brow done. What do we think? Do we like her? Is she cute? Is she not cute? I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna move on to this brow right here. So same situation. I am right-handed, so this brow typically like just works out better for me, but you know, we're gonna just go on this side. For this side right here, same situation. Just make sure that you are flattening that brow brush, and then you are just going to want to, I'm trying to look at myself in the mirror. You're just gonna want to find the angle, find the side that works for you. And then, like I said, just start to brush over. If you feel like you messed up, that's okay. Just brush up, like, you know, no biggie. I'm gonna try to actually brush over this way too. Ooh. This is why it takes me so long, guys. I'm constantly like, okay, let me just like redo this section, go over some more. Do. Now this side, I'm probably going to have to fill in a bit more with my brow pencil or my brow pen. So if it's not perfect, that's okay. Like, you know, not every brow is going to be perfect, and that just like is what it is. Okay, I actually feel like this brow is higher than this brow. Oh, whoa. Your brows are not twin sisters, they're like cousins. So let me see what I can do about this. In order to fix something like this, I would just brush over a bit more to kind of try to just like tone her down a little bit. You know, remember what I was saying earlier about how you can make this as thin or as thick as you want them to be. Let's say you're dealing with a situation like this. You just brush over and you brush down a bit more. So like where this arch is, I'm just going to actually kind of brush her down a bit just to give her, you see how that kind of already softened her a little bit? Like we just want her to be a little softer. Let's see. I think she's still a little bit high, no? Like she's still a little, yeah, she's still kind of going through some things over here. So let's see. Why do I always do like these random singing things? It's so crazy. It's so crazy. I'm just going to brush the end and see. I feel like that's better, but I'm still not all the way happy with her. And granted, like I said earlier, we are going to go in with like some sort of brow, something to fill her in, okay? So whether it's a pomade, a pen, a pencil, we are going to fill her in. And I feel like that is going to help me better see what's going on with the shape. Let me actually do that now. So because I am going to have a long day today, I am going to use a brow pen. I think we can even go down a little bit more. Why did they do my arch like this? Like this is very archy. I don't think it's me, guys. I think it's my brow lady. Like this brow is very archy. Like it's just very like whoosh, versus this brow is just very subtle, and it's just, why'd they do me like this? I literally just got my brows done. Oh, they did me dirty. Why'd they do me like this? Oh my God. The disrespect. I just have to like tone this arch down basically. Let's see. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take a brow pen. I'm actually taking the ABH micro stroke brow pen. And we're just going to very lightly, like my brows are already very dark, okay? And I always try to go like a shade or two lighter than my actual brow hair. So like if my brow hairs are jet black, for example, I would not get the color black. I would get like a brown, like a very cool dark brown. And I also like doing this step now because let's say, for example, I mess up or anything of the sort, all I have to do is wipe it off, and I don't have to worry about wiping off my skincare with it or wiping off my makeup with it. Like it's just automatically, because my skin is completely clean, I can just wipe her off, no problem. So just okay, just like that. And again, I don't fill in too much. I'm going to kind of try to leave this part open because I have not done my eyeshadow yet, and I really just want to like cut the eyeshadow, see where it's going to land. And I also don't want for my brows to look super crazy and like, I don't want to say fake, but like fake, because my brows already look kind of, you know, they're thick and they're black and they just have a lot going on. So I don't want it to look like, whew, you know, I just kind of still want it to look a little bit soft. We're going to do this side now. And then for this side, obviously we were going through some things. on this side. So let's just see what happens. But typically when I'm filling in my brows, I only have to really fill in like the top for the most part. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? I feel like this brow is still entirely too tall. Like this brow is just not, she's just not doing what she needs to do. So this is like real life what I go through. Okay guys, that is how you do your brows using my Raw Essence Brow Lamination Gel. If you do want to see my full makeup tutorial, I am going to have it pinned for you, but love you guys. Bye.